Charges in the accidental shooting of a 3-year-old from earlier this week on Penn Lucy Road. Baltimore police arrested Andre Hill, Kentrin Reddick, and Kia Richard. They have all been charged with reckless endangerment and other weapons charges. Now, according to police, Richard and Hill were in the room on the bed when the shooting occurred. Two cousins, ages 3 and 2, were also in the bedroom. In a closet, they were playing with a sawed-off shotgun. The 2-year-old accidentally pulled the trigger, shooting the older child in the right knee and the left foot. The child was treated and released from the hospital.